Hey everyone, it's Akos here from Flow. Welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we were taking a look at the new RingConn Gen 3 smart ring. Now, if you watched the channel before, you'll know I reviewed a few smart rings over the years, and honestly, after using this one for the last few weeks, I think this might be my favorite smart ring so far. I've been wearing it pretty much everywhere, in the gym, at work during my night shifts, editing videos, gaming, sleeping, basically all day, every day. And what impressed me most is how quickly I forgot I was even wearing it. So after the intro, as usually, let's go through the unboxing, the design, the finish, the features. I will show you guys why I think personally, honestly, so far 2026, this is the best ring I've ever tested in my life. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's start with the design and the comfort. Starting with the design, RingConn has done a fantastic job here. The version I've been testing is the Future Silver model, and honestly I think it looks great, it's just wow. One thing I really like about the RingConn Gen 3 is that it doesn't immediately look like a piece of technology. If you didn't know what it was, you'd probably just assume as a normal ring, and I think that's exactly how a smart ring should be. The Gen 3 uses that RingConn calls an ergonomic in-around outer square design, and whatever they're doing works because this is easily one of the most comfortable smart rings I've ever worn. I've been wearing it during workouts, editing videos, gaming, sleeping, and after a day or two I genuinely stopped noticing it was there. For me, that's one of the biggest compliments I can give a smart ring. If you're constantly aware that it's on your finger, it's probably not doing its job properly. And the Future Silver finish has a clean, modern look without being flashy, and it works just as well whether you're in the gym or work or just going about your day. RingConn also gives you plenty of color options depending on your style. Alongside Future Silver, it's also available in Royal Gold, Matte Black, Brushed Silver, and Brushed Rose Gold. So whether you want something subtle, premium, or a bit more eye-catching, there's probably a finish that suits you. This ring, guys, is really lightweight, comfortable, and never felt intrusive during everyday use. Because of that, I've been able to wear it continuously and get the most out of the health tracking features without feeling like I needed to take it off. And honestly, I think RingConn has found a really good balance here. It looks stylish enough to wear every day, but it's also comfortable enough that you forget it's even there. And now let's talk about the biggest new feature on the RingConn Gen 3 is the Vascular Trends. This one of the headline features this year, and what I like is that it's focused on long-term health insights rather than just throwing numbers at you. Now in the app you'll actually see this shown under blood pressure trends, but RingConn refers to the feature as Vascular Trends. The idea here is understanding long-term changes rather than replacing any medical equipment. The app helps you understand how your sleep, stress, recovery, and overall lifestyle may be affecting your vascular health over weeks and months. And honestly, stress is probably one of the biggest factors for many of us today. Between work, family life, running a business, going to the gym and everything else, it's easy to underestimate how much chronic stress can affect your body. Over time, stress can contribute to vascular aging and potentially increase the risk of high blood pressure without you even noticing it. That's why I find this approach it's really interesting. Instead of focusing on a single reading and forgetting about it in the next day, RingConn focuses on trends and patterns over time. For me, that's actually much more useful. My schedule is all over the place between work, YouTube and the gym, so seeing long-term patterns gives me a much clearer picture than looking at one day's worth of data. It feels less like chasing numbers and more like understanding what's actually happening with your body. One thing I noticed after a few weeks is that I actually started checking trends rather than individual numbers. Usually I'd look at health data once and forget about it. With RingConn, I found myself going back and comparing previous weeks, seeing how my sleep, stress and recovery changed depending on work, gym, sessions and how busy I was with YouTube. Alright guys, now let's speak about the health tracking and the daily use. Of course, the RingConn Gen 3 does much more than that. You're getting comprehensive health tracking including sleep monitoring, activity tracking, stress tracking, heart rate monitoring, sleep apnea monitoring, woman health features, and much more. Honestly guys, I always preferred sleeping with a smart ring compared to a smartwatch. There is nothing bulky on your wrist, nothing lighting up in the middle of the night. You just wear it and forget about it. Then in the morning, you can check your sleep insights and recovery information. I also like that RingConn focuses heavily on long-term trends rather than overwhelming you with unnecessary information. Everything feels easy to understand. And another feature I've been enjoying is the new vibration alerts. This is one of the upgrades over the previous generation and it's surprisingly useful. The ring can give gentle vibration reminders through the day, whether it's inactivity reminders, health notifications, or low battery alerts. It's such a simple feature, but I ended up using it far more than I expected. When I'm editing videos for hours or just sitting at the desk, that small vibration is often enough to remind me to stand up, stretch, and grab some water. No screen, no distractions, just a simple reminder. Alright, now let's speak about the battery, the charging, and the durability. Battery life is another area where RingConn absolutely shines. The ring itself can last around 11 to 14 days. 11 to 14 days. 11 to 14 days. Depending on usage, which is honestly fantastic. Most wearables need charging every couple of days, but with this I barely think about battery life. And then you have the charging case. Combined with the charging case, RingConn says you can get over 150 days. 150 days. Total battery life before needing to recharge the case itself. The ring is also IP68 and ATM10 water resistant, so I've had no worries wearing it during workouts, washing my hands, or just going about daily life. It's designed to stay on your finger and continuously track your health, and that's exactly how I've been using it. And now girls and women can ask me, what's the benefit for them? And I have the answer. So before wrapping up, I also gave the RingConn Gen 3 to Liveta for a couple of days to get a woman's perspective on it. Her feedback was very positive. The first thing she mentioned was the comfort. Just like me, she said after a day or two she barely noticed she was wearing it.
For the last couple of days I've been wearing the RingConn Generation 3 ring, and I'm actually pleasantly surprised how easily I got used to it. However, I feel like I might be a little bit biased because I am used to wearing rings on my hands, and especially on my ring finger. I could never get used to a watch. As you can see, I don't really, the hair bobble is the only thing you'd find on my wrist because of the rubber feeling around. So I feel like a ring is a great option for anyone who actually doesn't mind wearing them and hates the rubbery material around their and the bulkiness of the watch.
She also liked the design, saying it looks more like a normal ring than a piece of technology, and she found the app easy to use and understand.
Love the design. I love bulkier rings. Color, well, this is Aquasis, but I would have went for rose gold myself. It's very, I do like it, and I'm gonna have a hard time giving it back. But it's absolutely beautiful and definitely very, very comfortable.
She appreciated the dedicated women's health features included the app and overall said it's something she could genuinely see herself wearing every day.
What I found extremely helpful was the Women's Health app. It tracks your menstrual cycles, your ovulation, genuinely very important stuff. It can tell you how you might be feeling that day. What I thought was very inclusive was the baby prep feature. So for any women trying for a baby. What I also thought was great that wasn't generalized. It was personalized to your cycle, to any conditions or anything that you might have. I honestly never even noticed the ring on my hands. Very comfortable to sleep in, to work out in, to do daily activities.
And honestly, I think that says a lot about how well RingConn has balanced comfort, design, and health trackings. Alright, let's wrap up guys. So after using the RingConn Gen 3 through my day at the gym, whenever I sleeping in the work, here is my honest thoughts. And I can straight away telling you guys, absolutely love this product. Compared to other smart rings and wearables I've tested, the biggest strengths for me are the comfort, excellent battery life, the charging case, no subscription fees, and the fact that it focuses on long-term health insights rather than just flooding you with data. Features like sleep apnea monitoring, vascular trends, vibration alerts, and the detailed health tracking all help it stands out from many of the alternatives I've used. As for downsides, if you're looking for a full smartwatch replacement, a smart ring still won't give you things like a display, detailed workout screens, or rich notifications on your wrist. But that's not really what RingConn is trying to be. If your goal is comfortable 24/7 health tracking, great battery life, meaningful health insight, and no ongoing subscription cost, the RingConn Gen 3 is one of the strongest smart rings I've used so far. And for me personally, after reviewing multiple smart rings over the years, this is still my favorite smart ring to date and one of that I genuinely recommended. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, I will leave the links down in the description below. And a huge thanks to RingConn to sending me this product over and sponsoring today's video. Even without sponsorship, guys, if I'm just a guy without YouTube and everything, and I somehow buying this ring without any recommendation or anything, that's my best buy so far. It's 2026, so I just guys, that's a perfect product. Personally, I think that's a perfect product. That's it done. I can't say any wrong about it. Nothing. You just see Liveta. It's just blown away like, oh, RingConn, you made it.
I really want this ring. Rose gold. This is Aqua's. He's taking it off me. He's taking it off me. I want it. This color. Overall, absolutely love this product. And you'll definitely see me wearing it in the future. It's stylish, very comfortable. Never noticed it while I'm sleeping, working out, doing any daily activities. It's perfect.
So it was Akas from ATech Flow. It was a smart ring RingConn Gen 3 from RingConn, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!